iFixit, DIY experts, iFixit, called last year's phone most repairable iPhone in years. But this year it's even, it's coming to 15. It's even like better. And now, listen to this. Thanks to underlying chassis improvements, replacing the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max's broken rear glass costs less than previous iPhones. So this year, with this phone, $169 to replace the iPhone Pro's rear glass. iPhone Pro. iPhone Pro Max, $199. But, that sounds like a chunk of money. But when you consider how much it cost last year it was $499 for the iPhone 14 Pro or $549 for the Pro Max. That's a crazy difference. So it's all about making it easier to replace, right? And if you look at like the first, oddly enough, today, the first teardown video came out and basically said, yeah, look how much easier it is to take this thing apart and replace all this stuff. So it's kind of awesome that they're making these much more repairable. And I mean, people have been on them, like iFixit's been on this, right to repair thing, right? They want you to be able to just pop open your iPhone and replace it, everything. And I mean, honestly, I can't imagine ever getting comfortable enough to do that because it just sounds scary to me.
To do it yourself?
But, yeah.
I think it's a terrible idea.
Like I was looking into AirPods Pro, right? Because I have the AirPods Pro 1. And the battery life is garbage at this point. And I looked at how much it costs to take it into Apple. It's a lot of money. But you can buy the parts to replace it for, like, I think the battery is like $15 each. And for the case, maybe it's $25, right? So for, what is that, $50 or something, you could have all new batteries in your phone. But then it's like, oh, well, but you got to buy this, like, well, you don't have to, but you could buy this like $30 jig that you can put them in there. So it's easier to pry it open. And then you have to solder these little things. I can just imagine what a mess I could make of it. It just sounds terrible. So you know what I did? I went to Best Buy and bought the AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C case for $199. I can't believe that. Already on sale before things even hit the store, $200.
So they're $50 off. That's pretty crazy that they're doing that already.
That's a crazy pre-order deal. When I saw that, I was like, I could not stop myself.